Hello everybody. Well, I want to talk about, it's been 5 months since I had any dessert at all. So cakes, pies, cookies, any of those type of things. So it's been 5 months. So I started on May, June, July, August, all of September, and now we're starting October. And honestly, as the months go by, the cravings are just gone 100%. I don't ever think about having any cakes or pies or cookies or anything like that. Fruit tastes a lot more, sweet. So if you eat a banana or a strawberry, an apple, you can taste the natural sugars. Now again, there's still sugar in my diet because I eat, there's natural sugars like potatoes, and I do eat breads and things like that. So there are some sugars still in my diet. But yeah, at this point here, I feel a lot better in a lot of aspects of that. So going along with giving up desserts, of course I've been working out for years, and I've been also on top of this, I've been doing the intermittent fasting as well. And honestly, I feel like my clothes is a little bit looser. I feel better. I have some cool energy. I really love not having that that dry to get sugar, at the end of a meal or whatever. You get a cookie or a pie or cake and things like that. So those are just empty calories. Pretty much every meal I eat has a no-calorie drink. So mostly I drink water with every meal, and so obviously that's 0 calories there. Every once in a while I do like some type of knockoff of some Crystal Light type stuff. Mostly it's water, so I drink a lot of water. And obviously I haven't had Cokes since like 99 or 1999 or something like that. So it's been like 20 years almost since I've had any sodas. But anyways, I feel better. I really feel good about it. And so it's 5 months into it. It's really not a whole lot more to say other than the cravings are just pretty much gone at this point. And if I see someone eat a cookie or cake or pie, I don't even think about, oh, that looks great or anything like that. And again, I think at some point you had a cake or pie, it's fine. You just obviously don't need it every single day. And if you're the type of person that is all or nothing type of person, then it's better not to have it at all. I think I could eat a cookie occasionally or a piece of pie or cake occasionally, and it would be okay. I just kind of think, what's the point? There really isn't nutritional value for it. And that was a rule that I used for years. Does this have nutritional value? And if it does, I'll eat it. If it doesn't, then I won't eat it. And you can make arguments, well, you got peanut butter cookies, or you got, whatever, sugar cookies, or, carrot cake, there's some nutrition in there. But yeah, honestly, it's not really, that's not what it's designed for. It's designed for as a dessert. Can you make a carrot cake that's more healthier than a regular carrot cake? I'm sure you could. Can you make peanut butter cookies more healthier than regular runs? I'm sure you can. However, that's not the point of it. So I would say this: if you want to give up desserts, if you want to give up cookies and pies and cakes, I feel you can do it. And I did it. I believe you could do it as well. So go out there. I feel thinner. I think I look a little thinner in my face. 5 months is a long period of time, and if I lost a quarter of a pound or half a pound for the last few months, and that's a couple pounds here, and I think people sometimes fall and think, well, if I'm not losing pounds every month or every week or every day, it's not being effective. Well, honestly, it took you a long time to put on the weight, probably. And so I think it's unrealistic to think that you're going to lose the weight super fast. So if you lose your weight very gradually, it's going to be easier to keep off. If you at some point you can't ride 1,000 miles or can't run a marathon, at some point you're just going to give up and get a cookie or whatever. And I don't know how long you can maintain some of these extreme diets and lifestyles. At some point, you're just going to just give up. And I know I was there. 12 years of my life, I didn't eat any sugar at all. I no cookies, cakes, and pies. And for 6 years, I fell off the wagon. And now, let's hopefully go another 6 or 12 years without having any sugars and things like that. And again, a lot of it's health-wise at this point. As you get older, you want to be healthy. And I would make the proposition that basically if you're not eating sugar, you're going to be healthier. You're just going to be healthier. You don't eat sodas, drink sodas, you're going to be healthier. If you eat more fruits and vegetables and grains and things like that are healthy, you're gonna just be healthier. You just are. So as always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel, and let's see 6 months without dessert. Yeah, compute it, everybody.